We are here at Browns East 21 Club Row in the heart of Shoreditch for an unboxing of the brand new adidas Ozweego. And as you can probably tell, I'm not on my own today. Today we have Bradley from Browns, if you'd like to let the people know.
Hi guys, how are we? I'm Bradley. I work here in Browns East, but I'm also here to talk all things sneakers for the SNEAKERBEAST.
Ooh, SNEAKERBEAST has been a sick event that Browns have hosted with stadium goods, and it's definitely worth checking out. And you've got a good event coming on this Thursday for the Raf Simons, so if you want to talk the audience through.
So yeah, this Thursday we're going to be celebrating Raf Simons' last adidas collection with the brand. But with the Ozweego sneakers specifically, but we're going to be celebrating it here in store. Sadly, the event is sold out, but if you're lucky to come, we'll look forward to seeing you guys there.
And you will be releasing this brand new Ozweego as well, and it's a bit of a mad shoe. I mean, look at it. Part of the chrome pack, it's crazy. And the Ozweego is a fashion sneaker that everyone loves. What's your opinion on it, man?
I'll be honest with you, yeah, I like it. I like it. The pink one's the best one.
Oh, definitely. The pink's an absolute banger, mate.
I'm a sucker for pink, but what I like about it is he's made subtle differences to the shoe. Like, first thing to note is obviously the chrome bit that's going around. Obviously, it's not what you expect. It's not soft. You can't feel that adiprene. It's almost like a shell case that goes around the whole thing. But also, one other thing to note, I don't know if anybody's got a pair of Ozweegos, but there's a gap here normally. That's now been filled in. Not sure why. Might be just for extra comfort, because
yeah, a bit more solid reconstruction as well, because it's a solid shoe. I mean, like, if I went like that, bang, that's gonna hurt. I'm not gonna lie. You've got them supple levers on the upper as well, and that nice mesh hit. So it's a good summer shoe for me as well. It's breathable. You're gonna be rocking this all summer long.
100%. But also, one thing to note with it is it goes in line with his collection that he's done this season, the actual Raf Simons main line. It's all based about 80s punk disco scene, and if you look on some of the clothes, they also have some like a silver RS liquidy plaque on it as well. So it's a common reoccurring thing, this whole silver stuff.
It's an absolute banger in my opinion. They will be retailing at £300, but it's worth every single penny for them premium materials.
One fun fact for you.
Oh, go for it.
Do you know where the name Ozweego came from?
No, come, let me know.
So the Ozweego, the original adidas Ozweego, was actually named after Lake Oswego in Portland.
There you go, see, hitting you with that knowledge. Most people always thinking Nike's Portland, but Adidas have also got a headquarters there as well. You were telling me earlier.
They are based out there as well. I mean, I can't tell you, I have no idea what they do there, but I'm sure it's something worthwhile for sure.
So if you're a sneakerhead, you want to be headed to Portland, but SNEAKERBEAST is here at Browns East until June 6th, and what else can people expect?
So over the next couple of weeks, we've got a custom lab from Chinatown Market you guys have got to keep an eye out for. It'll be open to the general public, and more information will be on Browns Fashion and Browns Men's Instagram pages.
If you want to head down to the event, we will leave a link in the description. But I've been Chris from the Sole Supplier, and this is the adidas Ozweego.
And I've been Bradley from Browns East, and thank you guys for coming.
See you.